USTC, ETH, and over 200 monthly airdrops, with leverage options from 15x to a staggering 200x, which might sound incredibly attractive to new traders, but there are several red flags worth examining before diving in. The domain itself was only registered in March 2025, making it very new and therefore naturally raises concerns about long-term credibility. The website design lacks polish and doesn't provide a smooth user experience, which can be a turn-off for serious investors. More importantly, there's a complete absence of transparency, no About Us page, no information on the founders or any team behind the project, and the claims of partnerships with big names like Binance and KuCoin have no evidence to back them up. Adding to the suspicion, there's no presence on Trustpilot or any other reputable review platform, and some Reddit users have reported worrying incidents including theft of wallet keys and being charged fake fees. There's also no form of customer support, no email, phone number, or office address listed, and the platform has a very low trust score of just 15 out of 100 on eveninsights.com. It's also notable that koyonq.com has zero social media presence, which is unusual for a legitimate crypto platform. Overall, while koyonq.com makes big promises and might look tempting at first glance, the combination of unverified claims, lack of transparency, and growing concerns in online communities makes it something potential users should approach with extreme caution.